Alright, welcome again, guys. So this is the first time I'm going to do a, what do you call this stuff? Some online coding solution something. I don't know. Online coding solving online problems. Yeah, I guess. So I don't know. So I'm not really into this kind of stuff. I just want to sometimes try this for practice. So as you can see, we have this problem called counting valleys. So it's uh, from the interview preparation kit. Even though I'm still in college, I'm not going to prepare for the interview. And yeah, warm-up challenges. So difficulty is easy. All right. So let's start. So the input. Let's just go to the input. I don't like reading all this backstory. So input is an integer, and then I so think because this is 8, we need to get 8 more inputs from the user. So u d d d u d u, I think that means up and down. Yeah, that means up and down. So let's see the sample input. So the sample output is 1 because the explanation is we represent underscore a sea level. A step up as a backslash or forward slash, I don't know, and then step down. So this is the beginning. So this is a sea level that we went up, down, and then the answer is only 1, not 2. As you may notice, you probably will think that this problem have two valleys, right? So one valley and then the second valley. But according to the description that I saw, where is that? There we go. A valley is a sequence of consecutive steps below sea level, so you have to start going down, then starting with a step down from sea level, that is important, and ending with a step up to sea level. So this is only counted 1 because we stepped down here from the sea level, and then we went up only once to back to the sea level. So I'll try demonstrating our solution, or what I think is my solution. So let's just fill this with black. Okay, there we go. So I'm just using a touchpad, no mouse or pen, so pardon me for the poor drawing. So I think what we so let's just recreate the problem here. So I think the problem is like this, right? So this is very terrible. I think the problem is, yeah, like that. So my solution is, we have a counter that begins from 0, which means from sea level, and then when we go up, we increment the counter by 1. Then when we go down, we decrease by 1 the counter. So here we have 1, and when we go down, we have again 0 here. So for this part, we have -1. For this part, we have -2. And for this part, we have -1 again. And then from this, we have -2. And here we have -1 again. And here we have 0 and then 1. So how are we going to count the, as you can see, this is a pretty basic but very, and also very simple solution, right? We just have a single variable of a counter that will keep track of the of our height, right? If we go up or we go down. Now how do we count the valley? As you can see here, this is not a valley. Let me change the color. As you can see here, this is not a valley, but this is a valley. This will determine uh, the valley count, right? So as you can see, we can just say that if we are going up, and then our current level is 0, and then we reach 1 from 0 to 1 when we are going up, that is a valley. So let's try to code that. Let's see. So first let's create a variable for our counter. So let's just call this, yeah, level. So how our level, and then the volleys count, how many volleys we need to keep track. So 4 is equals to 0. So let's go from I to n, because n will be the number of input this one. So for example, we have 8, so n will be 8. So I plus plus, and then here is where we if if s, that is this, the array, the car array here, this is the s variable passed. So si will be the current character. So if that is equals to d, do this, and then if we are, as if si is equals to going up, let's go here. So let's return the values. All right, so when we go down, we decrement the level. When we go up, we increment the level. Now let's see, if our current level is equals to 0, and then we are going up, we go values plus plus, and I think, yeah, I think this is it. Let's try to run the code. Nope, we got it wrong. Expected output is 2. I think we need to do plus 1. No, not plus 1. When we go, okay, nope, that is okay. So we all right. Where did I go wrong? Where is the wrong part? So we return values. So when we, oh wait, I think we need to, yeah, I think we need to increment first. Yeah, there we go. We need to increment first before we count, because uh, if we check the condition first before we increment, that will handle cases where we go 0 but we didn't go back to 1, or yeah, that will this will count from -1 to 0. Then let's submit the code. Let's see if we are right. So green bar, I think that, yeah, test case, yep, all right, there we go. Yeah, all the test cases are correct. All right, there we go. So yeah, that is very easy indeed. Let's see what others did. Let's see what others did. So whoa, let's see what others did. Whoa, our rank is 1. Are you kidding me? Let's see his solution using Java 8. Come on, are you kidding me? The- this is exactly as our, even the variable names, levels, level and values. Come on, let's see. Python 2. Yeah. What? Are you kidding me? Everyone, the leaderboard is using the same. Oh, there we go. This is a different algorithm. I mean, not different algorithm, just different naming. All right, so there we go. So that is a very simple. I hope to learn something.